Turkish Delight. It sounds exotic. The name alone conjures images of faraway lands. This sweet treat is a taste of Turkey. People have been enjoying it for centuries. It is soft, chewy, and dusted with powdered sugar. Turkish Delight is a special occasion treat. You often find it in Middle Eastern cuisine. It's a sign of hospitality. The vibrant colors and flavors are sure to please. Let's discover the art of making it at home. Making Turkish Delight is easier than you think. You only need a few simple ingredients. Sugar is the base of this confection. It gives the delight its sweetness and texture. Cornstarch is the key to that unique chewy texture. Water binds everything together. Rosewater or lemon juice adds a refreshing fragrance. A touch of food coloring creates those beautiful hues. Ready to make your own Turkish Delight? It's a fun and rewarding process. First, dissolve the sugar in water over low heat. Then gradually whisk in the cornstarch. Stir continuously to prevent lumps. Cook the mixture until it becomes thick and translucent. Now add your chosen flavoring and a drop of food coloring. Pour the mixture into a lined baking dish. Let it set for several hours or even overnight until firm. Once set, cut the delight into bite-sized squares. Dust generously with powdered sugar. Congratulations! Your homemade Turkish Delight is ready. These delicate sweets are best enjoyed fresh. The shelf life is about a week. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature. Turkish Delight makes a lovely gift for friends and family. Experiment with different flavors and colors. Add chopped nuts or dried fruits to your delight before setting. Enjoy the journey of creating this delightful treat.